Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Danelle. Today we're going to talk about NFTs, Amazon NFT Marketplace launching soon, question mark. Also, we're going to talk about another Web3 native company that has launched plushy toys on the Amazon Marketplace, the regular marketplace that is. So let's start off as usual with the cryptocurrency market update. As you can see, Bitcoin's still on top as usual, and it's in that $27,000, $26,000 range. As you can see, it hasn't really moved much over the last 7 days, up 1%. Earlier this week, it was a little bit below 27,000. So it's still kind of ranging right now. So a lot of people are accumulating during this period of time as Bitcoin is kind of ranging in this $25,000 to $30,000 range. So we shall see, hopefully in the next couple of weeks, there may be some more volatility and movement. But right now it's a little boring, but could be a great time and a great accumulation point. But we shall see, because many people are predicting, given the macroeconomic environment, as we've discussed before, there could be potential dips, if not a little bit more of a dip that could be upcoming depending on what happens in the United States and the US debt problem. Second in line is Ethereum as usual. It's also stayed in that $1,800 range. It's only been up about 1% over the past 7 days. And then rounding out the top 10 is Solana, down about 2.78%, currently trading at $20.27. So let's go over to the NFT marketplace. We haven't checked it out in a little while. So over the last 24 hours, we can see the top collections. We have Mutant Ape Yacht Club near the top, not surprising. And what's new that we're starting to see is Bitcoin NFTs. And we talked about ordinal NFTs a little while back, and we probably should do a little bit more of a deep dive into these BRC20 NFTs. And these are NFTs basically that are inscribed on the Bitcoin blockchain. So you can see here that we have a couple Bitcoin NFTs that are cracking the top 10, and then we have one Bitcoin Frogs, which apparently has been running up over the last several days, is currently in at number 11. Today, we're going to talk a little bit more about Pudgy Penguins, and they have been one of the NFT profile picture collections that have done fairly well during this bear market. And we've definitely been in a bear market in the NFT space. And we're going to go to their Twitter page and see their latest announcement earlier this week. It says they are beginning a new era for Web3. We're happy to announce that Pudgy Toys and Pudgy World are now available. So they're no longer just a NFT digital only platform. They now are moving to physical assets as well. And as we see here, in this commercial, we'll just show just a little bit of it. They are going to be catering to parents and small children with these plushy Pudgy Penguin toys. So similar to Toy Story, you can see here that the toys are coming to life as the child walks out of the room. So they are going to be launching, I believe, more toys, but right now they have 5, if I'm correct, 5 toys that are now available on Amazon.com. So you can see this commercial here on the Pudgy Penguins Twitter website. So let's go over to Amazon and have a look at the Pudgy Penguins that are currently for sale. And as you can see here, they are now on Amazon. And so far, they have 5 stars, but only 2 reviews. So you can only take that with a grain of salt right now. But it just came out a couple days ago. But they seem to be doing fairly well at the moment. I believe they start delivering at the beginning of next month, so the beginning of June. You should start to see those Pudgy Penguins come in the mail if you choose to order one. These Pudgy Penguins will also be coming with an NFT. So you get a customizable Pudgy Penguins action figure, and you also will have a NFT that comes along with it. So you'll be able to, I believe you just scan a QR code, and it looks like that's the QR code here on the side of the box right here. And you will then be able to access what is called Adopt a Forever Friend with a digital certificate. So each toy comes with an official scannable redeemable code that unlocks a digital penguin customization using different trait boxes. That way you can obtain rare and epic traits and have a one-of-a-kind forever Pudgy Penguin registered to your name on the blockchain. So it looks like you'll be able to customize a digital Pudgy Penguin. So basically, this is a separate NFT that can go along with your physical products. So with this certificate and NFT that comes along with this action figure, it's now going to cater to these young toddlers and young children, and they will begin to learn about digital assets while they also get a chance to play with a fun physical toy. So this is part of what some of the future may look like, particularly for legacy Web 2 companies as well as burgeoning Web 3 companies. And Pudgy Penguins, as a native Web 3 company, has now chosen to take the route of going physical and merging the physical with the digital, which we've talked about. Nike has done that already with Artifact. And they're coming out with more products as well, where you're able to connect your digital assets with the physical assets. So we definitely will keep an eye on what's happening with Pudgy Penguins. So far, they've been a top seller among toddler toys on Amazon just in its first few days. We'll definitely keep an eye out to see how they're doing with these Pudgy Penguin figures. Next up, we are going to talk about, and speaking of Amazon, Amazon is supposed to be launching a NFT marketplace. It was supposed to be launched in April, then it got delayed again to May 15th, and it has yet to have been launched as far as we know. So we're still waiting to see them launch this NFT marketplace. Obviously, Amazon is one of the biggest companies in the world, the largest web-based marketplace in the world, along with Alibaba. Those are the top two. That's it, no competition. So it's going to be great for the NFT space once Amazon presents this NFT marketplace, because obviously they have such a wide customer base that it's going to be interesting to see whether or not those customers are then going to be interested in NFTs. And the great thing about this is that they're going to be launching it on their own blockchain, and you will not have to have a cryptocurrency wallet. So if you were to get NFTs now, say on OpenSea, which is one of the largest NFT marketplaces, you would have to have a digital wallet to be able to buy, sell, and trade NFTs. Now, with Amazon, you'll be able to collect digital collectibles on your own without using a digital wallet. You can use a debit or credit card. So as you can see, this will allow those who do not have access to a crypto wallet, such as a MetaMask wallet, which we've talked about in the past, the ability to buy NFTs without having to purchase cryptocurrencies like Ethereum. So you'll be able to purchase using your credit card, using your dollars or euros, and be able to have digital assets. And Amazon will also, from my understanding, will be able to hold those NFTs for you. So we're still waiting to see all of the details once it actually launches, but there are various reports that it should be coming out soon and that they will be linked to physical goods as well. So you'll be able to get digital collectibles from the art world, profile picture projects, which are really popular right now in NFTs, but NFTs, as we know, are going to be much more than profile picture projects. So what we're seeing here with Amazon is that you'll also be able to have NFTs that are linked to physical clothing. So I'm sure there's going to be plenty of major brands that are going to be interested, if not have already inked a partnership with Amazon to have their physical goods linked to NFTs through this Amazon NFT marketplace. So you'll see here that the NFTs that are linked will reportedly be something items from physical clothing to jeans, trainers, sweatshirts, and I'm sure shoes, jewelry. I'm sure it's going to run the gamut. So these NFTs will be delivered to customer NFT accounts while the physical piece of clothing is being delivered to the customer's doorstep. So one clothing company that has been at the forefront of linking their NFTs to physical products is Nike. As we know, Nike acquired virtual assets company Artifact in 2021, and they have already had success with, so they call it forging, basically merging the physical item with the digital item. They've already had successful launches. We shall see what happens with the NFT initiative, as it's been in development for quite a while now. We're still waiting to see what happens. Part of it may be because of the fact that we've been in a bear market, because of the FTX collapse. There's a number of reasons why. I'm sure that it's been delayed, but we are patiently waiting to see what happens. Now moving along to one of Amazon's NFT marketplace's competitors, Americana. They just recently launched their beta earlier this week, and they are, as they say, the new standard for collecting, where curators where collectors curate their identity, protect their most prized possessions, and connect with like-minded communities. So as you can see here, they have beta exclusive for members, and if you are a member, you would have to have bought the Something Token NFT, which you can see here on OpenSea. And the Something Token is currently going for around $79 at 0.04 Ethereum. So if you have this NFT, it unlocks, I believe, some type of membership benefits, and it may give you early access to this beta of the Americana NFT website and marketplace. So as you can see here, they have a creator spotlight, spotlighting a few artists here in this section, as you can see. And then also looks like they are going to be offering the ability to custody your assets as well. So they have vaulting, which is a place where you can secure your assets with tailored vaulting solutions designed for your needs. There's also transport, where you can rest easy with flexible shipping options and premium protection that protect your assets and keep them safe and secure. You have authentication, obviously, being on the blockchain and being an NFT. You can trust in the direct certification from creators, reputable third-party authenticators, and cutting-edge technology. And of course, this is all digital. You can transform your assets with high resolution image capture and 3D model rendering services to bring your digital titles to life. So I believe that's more catered towards companies who are looking to hopefully develop NFTs and potentially put their products on the Americana website. So you can go to americana.io to learn a little bit more about this NFT marketplace. We will definitely keep you posted on what's happening at Amazon, and if and when, not if, but when they actually do launch their marketplace, we will be there to keep you posted on what's going on with that. So definitely stay tuned here at Network Chain. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to linking up with you soon on the Network Chain. In the meantime, take care. Bye-bye.